Here's why. Can they do it? Yeah, well, can they do it? Right, but they would, assuming they were comfortable with the fire, assuming they had the fuel, assuming they had the palm torches, assuming they had the fire safe costume, assuming. So what they're paying for is every single one of those things that we just assumed. Yeah, but that's not what you're selling. You're selling you. Right? Even if I'm here and I'm doing like some dork ass position, but if I look dorky and I own it, that is what matters. It's not a matter of looking dorky. It's not a matter of having proper technique. It's a matter of you as a performer owning whatever it is you're bringing to the table, because that's what you're selling. You're not selling weaves or pinwheels or straight lines. I am not discouraging you from continuing to improve your skill. This one time I was doing this performance. This was the most mind-boggling experience. It was very early in my career. And I was at this gig where I had no control of the music. And then somewhere in the middle of my, I was going off, dancing really hard. And somewhere in the middle, the music stops and a Martin Luther King speech comes on. But of course, the show must go on. So I keep going. No, so we're going from electronic music to I have a dream that one day, it was seriously an intense juxtaposition of the two things. And then out of nowhere, the Martin Luther King goes away and the music comes back. I was so disappointed. I kept going throughout the whole thing, but internally I was like, okay, well, just keep smiling because that's what you're supposed to do. The show must go on. The show must go on. And afterwards I was somewhat defeated because it was my only actual poi solo, and I was spinning with people who we were doing choreography, and the choreography was just at a lower skill level than my own skill level. And it was a very disappointing experience for me. After the show, I cannot even tell you how many people came up to me and were like, oh my God, that was so artistic. That was really beautiful. So the moral of the story is they will never, ever know what you intended. They will only know what you gave them. So if your line is crooked and you know it's crooked, right? Even if you're standing here in some weird ass position like this, sell it.